System. What's system error 87 mean? Man, I did not know what the f I'm doing. Oh my god, there it is. Oh my fucking days, man. See that shit? It's making me sweat. Yes, people, welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be configuring DNS. I don't think we're going to configure VM because we've done that way too many times. And I'm not even joking. I've spent the last 2 hours trying to configure OBS because I don't know what I did. I was Googling how to make it look better and I couldn't figure out why I was pink. Now, I know I got sunburn, but it's not that bad. So I had to spend the last 2 hours trying to figure out what I did and undo it. And here we are. All right, so let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is, as we do every video, oh, I want to show you something. Check this out. So this is node 1, right? This is where we left off. I deleted the VPN because, you know, hackers. And I have put together a little home lab. So I'm going to post up a picture of my lab here. Pow! Now you can see there are 3 devices there. One is a Dell, one is the old laptop, and another is another laptop. You can see the tabs here. I've got node 1, it works. Node 2, it works. Node 3 is I'm not sure why. It's probably a loose cable, but I'm not gonna be troubleshooting this after spending 2 hours figuring out why I was pink. I'm gonna stick with node 1, and then maybe in another video we'll build a cluster, and then we'll have more resources to build more things, because you know a Windows VM consumes just way too much. Let's Google how to configure DNS. Off the top of my head, I think you just. In fact, let's not Google it. We're not gonna Google it. I've installed RDTab, so it's easier to, you know, set up remote connections to our servers. So this is the server that we configured in a previous video. You can see here, it is, we go into hostname, it's homelab AD01, okay? This is where we configured Active Directory. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna add a role to this server, and it's gonna act as DNS, and it will probably do DHCP and everything, and I'll just maybe increase the resources as this, you know, VM does more. But for now, it's just gonna do everything. So let's click on add roles and features. I think this is where you go, right? If it doesn't, then we're just going to be anyway. So let's go. Okay, we're going to configure roles, right? And we are specifying a server from a pool. Well, we've only got one. So let's click next. You can see here, it's already got DNS installed. And I don't know why. Maybe it does that by default. I really have no idea. Oh, yes, it has to. Because when we configured AD, you have to have a DNS server. And so, it's already got DNS. That has f***ed up this whole video. Oh, man. Okay, so after wasting way too much f***ing time, we aren't going to be doing a DNS server. Because we already have a DNS server. What we're going to do is we're going to create another VM. And we're going to add it into the domain. So we've already got domain controller and a DNS server. But now we're going to create a VM and add it in, because that's what the domain is for, right? It's a collection of servers essentially. So let's get started. Yeah, you can see here, it shows it's a DNS. Man. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to minimize this. We are going to we're going to freestyle this. Let's go to node 2. I'm going to put, oh no, let's not go to node 2 because we're going to have to upload. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go to node 2. Okay, we're going to expand this. We're going to expand the storage, and we need to upload the Windows ISO. So here is the ISO. So we're going to click upload. We're going to wait for that to complete, and hopefully it doesn't take too long because it is hot as in here. I'm probably going to lose a couple of kilos just sitting here. Okay, so upload's finished. Let's come out of this window. I mean, I've got to click the X. Okay, and here we go. So what do we do? Okay, we're going to create a VM. I mean, it feels like it's been ages since I've done this. Create a VM. We're going to put it on node 2. We're going to call this client 01. I think we have a client 01 on the laptop, but you know, that isn't in our home lab. So let's click next. We are going to select the ISO. Let's change this type to Microsoft Windows. What? Oh yeah, remember we got to add the drivers, otherwise it doesn't work. We got to upload the drivers. Okay, let's close this. Let's figure out where the drivers are. So let's go upload, select file, and the drivers aren't there. Okay, maybe in downloads. Nope. Where did I put the drivers?
A few moments later.
Man, I don't know where the drivers are. We have to download them again. Yeah, it was these ones. I gotta create a folder or something to put these in, man. Okay, so we're going to come on, it's just too much text in here. All right, let's just click this. Oh my days, allow it. Download the most recent version. Yes, there we go. See that? If I would have gone there, I would have to read some shit, but I don't need to read anything now. Just wait for this download. My godly internet, and we'll be back. Okay, the download is done. Let's upload. There we go. We're gonna upload this, and again, we're gonna do some more waiting. So I'm gonna sit here and sweat, and we'll come back when it's done. Man, I don't know if you can see it, but my forehead is glistening, boy. All that sweat. I need some aircon. Okay, let's wait for this to copy, and oh yes, it's nice and done. Okay, so let's do that again. So we're gonna create a VM. We're gonna name this client 01. We're going to click next, go to, we're going to pick the ISO, boom. We're going to specify Windows. We're going to add in the driver ISO. Man, I remember we have to add this. What is this? Okay, we're going to put that there. Don't know what that does. Let's do that too, because there's no other option. Let's just leave that as default before we break something. What does this do? Let's just leave that as it is because it's chosen Q45 for a reason. It's going to need a little bit more than 32 gigs. Let's give this, I think 100 for a server is pretty good. CPUs, we're going to give this 4 sockets. No, not 4 sockets. 4 cores. Let's click next. Memory. This server has 4, so let's use max. We're going to leave that as default, and we're going to click finish. Let's click start after create. I always end up having to boot it up. We're going to click finish and see how that gets on. Okay, so we can see VM100 is here. We can see the task is down here as well, right? So once this completes, we will log on and yeah, try and add this to the domain. It should be pretty straightforward, but considering how this video has started, you know, I started with DNS. In fact, I didn't start with DNS. We're trying to figure out why I was pink. No, actually, no. My voice had a helium effect to it. And for some reason, Logitech G Hub had me sounding like a chipmunk. So it took ages to figure out that because it wasn't obvious. Then figured out how to figure out why I was pink. Just too many config changes in OBS. I was just trying to make the video look better. But to be honest, I think it looks somewhat decent as it is. I might just leave it for now. I'm not going to touch it again because I'm going to end up smashing my screen in a minute. And oh, it's done. No way. You're lying. Let's see what console says. Here we go. Ah, shit. F off, man. You see what I mean? Why is it booting from over network? No, just boot. Yeah, you failed to boot. Just use the ISO. Why would it choose network by default when there's a ISO attached? All right, let's give this a minute and see if it figures out its life. Okay, so it's doing HTTP. Remember, before it was doing PXE. So hopefully after this, it chooses the ISO because there shouldn't be any more options. I don't know what the hell this is doing, man. I told you, see what I mean? We just boot one VM. No, everything has to go wrong. Oh, it's doing something. It's doing something. I was just going to reboot it and see if I could hit the button before it does all this. Okay, let's restart. Okay, let's smash that key. Oh, set boot option. How'd you do it? Ah, yeah. Quick, enter. Yes, come on, you. All right, we're doing something, guys. Okay, hopefully we get some sort of cursor. Yes, there we go. We got the spinning dots. We're doing something now. At least it's not CLI. So we're making progress. This is going to probably take a while. It's probably going to start consuming some resources now. Yeah, look at that. But all we need to do is be able to add it to a domain. And then we're done. Then we can move on to something else. All right, we have something. Look at this. We are pro. Okay, let's change this. Smash install and let Windows do its thing. Okay, so we've got some more options. We are going to choose the standard evaluation desktop experience, or we could do something even more difficult. The standard evaluation, I believe, is like the core version, so CLI. That would be cool. Let's do that. So we're going to have no GUI. So I'm going to have to Google this because you use PowerShell to do all this. So let's do that. Custom, yes. And then I think we load the drivers. We do browse. We do something here. Knows, man, we have to Google it. What are we gonna search? Like Google knows what I'm looking for. Let's go to this Proxmox forum, and no, doesn't give me enough information. I need pictures, okay? I need pictures. I don't think we're gonna need. I don't think we need to go to LinkedIn. Browser. So is it that one? What happens if I press next? Does it work? Does it work? I don't remember this happening last time, to be honest. It's gonna fail. Oh, off. Install drivers. To install the device driver for your drive, insert the media. I've got the media. Oh, look, it found something. Let's go for that one. The download doesn't even say. Okay, go back to console. Let's just press next, see what happens. Is it gonna do it? Oh, it done it. Sick. See that? I didn't even have to Google it. I am Google. Google should hire me. Okay, we got the drive size. Let's apply. All right, let's press next. Boom, it's installing. Let's come back in a bit when this is done and continue. So I might add my key in here so that this thing is permanent, because that will probably go wrong as well. Because if it tells me the key is invalid, man, I've already paid for it. I'm gonna have to send a strongly worded email to CD Keys in Russia. Oh, it's booting. We are almost there. Okay, it's asking a question. Let's see. I press up. The user password must be changed before signing. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be different because this is CLI. This is why we don't see a GUI. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Okay, changing password. The user administrator. Password has been changed. Welcome. Oh, that's probably why it doesn't consume so much resources as well. Sick. All right, let's see what it does. Man, imagine this is all you get. You just get that. This is like going back in the day to, you know, like the 1900s. Okay, let's see. Welcome to Windows Server 2022 standard. Okay, let's change the host name because this is going to be client 1, right? So let's select 2, see what that does. Enter a new computer name. Client 01. Restart now? Yeah, let's do it. Otherwise, we're going to have some issues. Okay, it's rebooting. Let's see what happens when it comes back. That was so fast. Okay, Control delete. What's the password? Yo, mama. Okay, it's doing something. Man, this is old school. This is probably what our grandparents are used to. Imagine telling them, hey, you know, Windows now is going back to DOS prompt. They wouldn't believe you. Okay, yes. Config is loaded. Okay, it's changed the computer name. I feel like I haven't spent computer name right. Client 01. Looks like a little bit Italian, but let's go. Let's try and change domain. I think I named it domain botnet. Join domain or work group. Okay, so I guess you probably hit the giggity name of domain to join. Okay, we're going to need this botnet. Specify an authorized domain user. Okay, so let's go botnet /administrator password joining bot. Ah, it failed. The following message does not exist. Let's go network settings. Oh, that's why there is no adapter. This happened in the other server. I don't remember what we did. Man, let's see. Unity check. Nope, that's not it. Okay, no network adapter is this. Works for me, just install a fresh. Hey, well, you can fuck off, Tom. Glad they work for you, but doesn't work for. Exactly. What did you contribute, Tom, from Proxmox? Useless. You provided nothing to this post. Man, what did we do? I can't remember. Useless, Tom. Okay, if Tom sees this, man, I just provide something more useful. You might as well have just said yes or no. Windows 10, no network card, machine, Q35. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, yeah. We need to run the drivers. That's what we need to do. Okay, let's go back to node 1. Let's come out of this. Cancel. Oh, no. sconfig. Oh, thank God. Okay, that did not help at all. Okay, let's come out of this. Is that right? CD back. Duh. Oh, my God. Okay, so this isn't working, so we need to figure out how we get to one of the ISOs. Now an ISO, yes. How do we do it, mister? Well, I don't know the path, so man, I knew this was going to be fucking difficult. sconfig. Exit to command line PowerShell. No, because we already tried that. Don't know what I'm doing. I mean, ifconfig. Is it ifconfig? Nope. ipconfig, and it's dead. There's nothing there. That's why it doesn't work. That's why it's not even on the network. It doesn't exist. Okay, so we need to figure out how we install the drivers. CD drive. Oh, did it do something? Oh yes, look at that. Okay, the ls cd the. Man, I did not know what the I'm doing. Where's the C? How to install the drivers? So go to CD-ROM, navigate. Well, I can't right click, can I? Because it's Windows Core. Grab the ISO there, yes. Windows 22, guest press. No. Okay, this is not what I'm looking for. Man, let's just run one of these, man. What do we do? Video. What happens if I do that? Nope. Okay, so there's no folders in here. Maybe let's go back. What do we have here? Windows 10, Windows 11, CD2K16. What's in here? Okay, here we go. I finally discovered how to install on. Oh, okay, he found it. Okay, display all available drives. Get PS drive. I'm gonna be a fucking pro at PowerShell after this. Okay, get PS drive. Yes. CD. Okay, what happens if I type dir in here? Oh my God, there it is. Oh my fucking days, man. See that shit? It's making me sweat. Which one do we need to install? Guest tools or GT? GT will make us go faster. What is this? When was this guy? 2023. Man, what is this all? Set location, C drivers. Why? Nah, this isn't right, man. You should just need to install it. Doesn't make sense. Let's go and install. Yeah, this one's biggest. Let's just go with this. Oh. Welcome to da. Okay. Let's install. I'm not even going to change anything. I'm not even going to look at it because I'm going to end up f***ing it up. Press next. Click finish. Oh, Spice driver. Oh, Windows is going to be fun. Oh, look at that. It's installing the guest agent. I knew this was it. Okay, let's do a reboot. Or, I mean, let's do an IP config. Let's see if it shows anything. Oh, look at that. We got an IP. Yes. Yes. Okay, let's do sconfig now. Okay, well, let's see if we can ping the domain controller. So, homelab 8001. Oh my god, it pings it. Okay, so we're almost there. I'm getting a semi. Sconfig. We're going to go to the domain. We're going to choose Big D. Giggity. Name of domain. Botnet. Because I'm a hacker. Specified user. Botnet. Password. Oh, it's joining it. I'm so fucking sick. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's open up node 1. Let's open up the RDP session we have. I think if we open up users and directories, we go to computers maybe. Oh, it's not there. Okay, maybe it takes a minute. Let's go see if it, I mean, it may have failed, so let's go see. Oh, what from his provide the phone to specify either does not exist or could not be contacted. What do you mean? It's there. Okay, let's enable remote desktop. Right, let's just go with 2 because I know 1 is gonna f me over. Successfully done enabled remote. Okay. Telemetry setting. What is that? What does that do? No, I don't want you to collect data. Piss off. Let's reboot. Oh, that doesn't work. Okay, let's reboot. Shutdown -R. Why? Reboot is obviously self-explanatory. This is taking too long. I think if you do -T0, it should do it now. Boom. See that? We don't like to wait. We want to do it now. I wonder if we can RDP to it. Let's try. We're going to open this. We're going to go client 01. No botnet. Does this work? It works. Nice. S plus yes. I don't know if this is doing something. Okay. Sconfig is loading. There we go. We just got to be patient. Unfortunately, it's not one of my skills. Okay. So this is all good. Remote desktop, all clients, update setting, download only. I don't know if that was there before. Let's try it 1 again. Do botnet. Oh no, it's not administrator. It is Mike is cool. I wonder if that was the issue. I was putting the wrong user in. I mean, administrator should work as well. Joining botnet. Is it gonna work? Come on. Ah, off, man. Let's Google this because I don't know what it is. Computer, let's take that out. Work group, yes. Oh, it's just too many words. Failed to domain. Oh, maybe the DNS is wrong. Okay, let's check. Let's check that. Okay, yeah, let's go. Okay, so we've got an RDP session open. Let's close this. Let's config. So we're going to open up the network settings. I mean, I was in this so many times already. Preferred DNS. No, I think we specify this. Okay, so let's go cmd host, no, IP config. What is the IP address? 117. Let's go back to the here. Set this 192.168.0.117. Just leave that blank. Okay, let's do that. Big D. Does it join? Does it join now? Was that the issue? It's taking too long. I don't think it's gonna work. Failed to join from his current work group. Oh man. Okay, back to Google. It is just too many words. DNS resolution. Let's see if we can ping by name. Yeah, see? Okay, instead of using sconfig, let's see how you do it in PowerShell. OU path. Nope, not gonna do that. What's local credential? That's not what I want to do. Oh no, not LinkedIn. Off. Let's see what the domain is called because I know I named that name. Okay, show me what domain I'm on then. Oh, it's botnet.homelab. Oh my god, I bet that was it. Let's try this again. Sconfig. Okay, we're gonna do 1. We're gonna do Big D. Oh man, that done it quick though. Give me some more information, man. Damn. I think that's what it is. Let's go back. Off. Okay, let's read through this. I'm working as an IT technician. Good job. Firewall off on both client and server. Maybe that's it. Okay, let's go to our domain controller and see if the firewall's on. Firewall. They're all on. Okay, let's just turn this all off. I mean, that's not probably safe, but you know, we can make it secure after. Just shut up. I wonder if I'm typing the wrong password. I should probably see if I'm typing in the right password. But it didn't error straight away. Oh, okay, that's not a video. That's a video. We don't watch videos. The videos are too perfect. Oh, it pings. Oh my days. Yes. Man, I'm gonna end up disabling everything and people could just end up probably walking into this damn client. I wonder if now I can ping their name. Oh, what? Okay, that's good news. Oh my days. Well, I can ping it now. Okay, let's try again. I can ping the short name, but not the full name. What does that mean? DNS. Reverse lookup. Man, I don't even know what this means. Your mom can't find it. Annoying, man. Can we ping the domain name? I didn't even know you could do that. Unable to ping the domain. What does that mean? Fuck's sake, man. Why is this not working? Where are we going wrong? Let's reboot both of them. Let's see how long this should come back pretty quick. Let's see what it looks like in Proxmox. And this thing boots up so fast. Look at that. It's instant. This, however, is that my home lab or forest? All right, day 2. This is round 2 because I had to take a break. I don't know what I was doing. I was just staring at the screen. There was something wrong with my DNS and don't tell anyone. I did a little bit of troubleshooting at work. Well, not too much. I was just having a conversation with ChatGPT, but it gave me a really good idea. We think the issue, as in ChatGPT and I, that it could be a DNS issue. So it suggested adding an entry into the host file. Now, let's try that and see how we get on, and actually asked it if that resolves the issue, then does that mean the issue is DNS related? And it said yes. But the thing is, I didn't touch DNS, so that means it didn't work out the box because I didn't do anything in DNS. So let's do that now. Okay, so we're gonna go RD tabs. Okay, so you may notice my screen is a little bit different. I've set the resolution to 1080 because hopefully it looks better because it looked like before. So here we've got client 1. Okay, we're gonna go close this. We need to mount the drive of this VM to my desktop so that we can edit it in Notepad, so that we can add an entry in for the home lab with the domain, so that you can see the domain, because the domain obviously exists. And then once we add it in, then maybe, you know, we can go and try and figure out what's wrong with DNS, because I have no idea. Maybe if someone watches this, they're gonna help in the comments. C drive of the client 01 onto my desktop so we can browse the host file and modify it with Notepad. So let's try and figure out how we're going to do that. It's something like this. Net use. Let's do G because I'm a top G. And then backslash client 01 C $, right? Then we're going to do user, bang, administrator, password. Okay, that didn't work. Let's see why. Okay, I know why. You're going to put / in before the user. And you know what? I want this to be persistent too. So let's do persistent. Oh, you can't do tab. Persistent. Yes. Boom. See that? Hacker. Now let's check if it's there. Okay, that command didn't work. The drive isn't there. Why doesn't it work? Ah! This should be simple, man. ChatGPT lied. Okay, so let's Google this. Oh my god. Off. Bit too much reading. What is so much text? Just give me the damn command. Oh my god, you're so stupid. I was doing this in client. I need to do this on my desktop. Oh my god. Okay, it. Let's just take out persistent. It doesn't like it for whatever reason. Oh my god. Man, I think I need to speak to my manager, get myself like a cool t-shirt or something, because it is bacon. System. What's system error 87 mean? Okay. Oh, you. Okay, so we've got net use, M drive for Magic Mike, user administrator, boom. Okay, it completed. Let's check. Oh my god, guys, it's there. Check this out. Okay, so the host file is somewhere in here. Windows, like system 32, I think. Yes. then drivers, and then etc and host. Work out the box. Wow, look at the size of that text. Holy shit. Okay, so we're gonna do lab. Now before I press save, we're gonna ping the domain, right? Ping botnet.homelab. Why does it work? Do you not need to save? You must have to save. Okay, I'm not gonna question it. Maybe I already saved it and I just didn't even notice. Control S is just a default habit. So, okay, so it pings the domain. That is massive. Now, this is the moment. Let's see if we can ping the whole FQDN. Oh my god. Oh my god, I've got a semi. Okay, so let's go sconfig, add the domain, join in botnet.home. Oh! Oh my god, it done it. Oh my god, I'm about to. Guys, this is it. Moment of truth. We are about to finish this video. This has only taken 2 days. I think this is the quickest task, mission, video, whatever you want to call it, we've done yet. Here we go. Change your computer. Oh no. Oh, it's the same name. Okay, let's restart now. Okay, let's just press yes before it breaks. I wonder if it's already showing up in Active Directory computers. Oh, it's there. Yes, come on. Get in there, my son. Come on. Client 01 is part of botnet.homelab. Guys, this is the first computer of our empire. Botnet.homelab is going to be known around the world. Okay, let's see what happens when this comes back. Oh no. Oh no. What do we do? The remote identity does not match. Okay, so maybe it cached it somewhere. Oh, it's loading my profile. This is a massive W. This is a massive W. This is it. Okay, now we can start building some cool. We complete the goal. The goal was to add a new VM into the domain. And that's what we've done. Look at this. Oh my god. That is, I am going to sleep easy tonight. That was way more complicated than it should have been. I guess ultimately the issue was the DNS. The DNS was incorrect. It misconfigured. I didn't even touch it. So it should, again, these things just don't work out the box. You shouldn't have to be running scripts and fixing things. It should just work. Well, whatever. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.